So here in problem 11.12, a 280-gram ball collides with a wall, and the figures down below show the ball's velocity as it hits the wall, where it starts at initial velocity of negative 10 meters a second, and then reaches its final velocity that is unknown, and then the force in newtons, where as it hits the wall, it has 500 newtons over 8 milliseconds of time. So what this problem wants to find out is the final velocity as the ball rebounds off the wall. So what you use is the, well, area under the curve. So this would mean that you want to convert this to mass times the velocity, and then finally to velocity. And then after that, you want to really find the impulse, which would just be the 500 newtons a second over the 8 milliseconds of time, which would give you 4 newtons. So in the last step, you must assume that the collision is elastic, which means that the initial has to be negative 10 meters a second. So you use this negative 10 meters, and then you have to add this to the 4 newtons from the impulse divided by the mass of the ball, which is 0.28 kilograms, and that gives you 4.3 meters a second. So in context, that means that the final velocity of the ball when it rebounds would be 4.3 meters a second, meaning that the ball is now going in an opposite direction than when it was hitting the wall.